the GP164 by Golden. This is the lithium ion one. We're gonna change the shrouds. When you buy the unit, you're gonna get it with red or blue from the factory. We have green, pink, gold, black, silver, whatever you want, white. Let us know. We can make it whatever color you like. So give us a call at 803-926-2224. This is how you remove them. Just put your finger up underneath here and pop it up. Some of them are going to come with Velcro, some of them aren't. So if you have Velcro and your other spare doesn't, remove the Velcro and place it on here. Now sometimes you can look inside of here, you'll see right or left. If you do it wrong, you'll know, but you just take it and you'll clip it right in to the front first down here and just pop it right in there. Same thing on the other side. Just push the button up, remove it. This has the Velcro. This side goes in, come back here. Now it's blue. So those are really easy to do. These sometimes can be a little bit harder. So this is disassembled. This chair is obviously disassembled, you can tell. There's a little spot up here that you can pry that out. And then just take it and you're going to clip it right back in there. Again, over on this side, just take something in here. If you have fingernails, I would use this. You're just going to brush it, kind of pushing that in a little bit. And you're going to put this back first, come down, and now you've changed your GP164 from a red unit to a blue unit. Again, if you want different colors, give us a call at 803-926-2224.